Here's how to fix uncategorized income in QuickBooks Online. With QuickBooks Online already open, start from the left side of the screen. In the navigation menu, click Expenses. This takes you into the area where transaction activity can be reviewed and adjusted. Once you are in Expenses, look for the Expenses and Pay Bills menu, then click Expense Transactions. That opens the transaction list where you can review individual entries and update the category assigned to each one. On the Expenses page, use the Filters or the Search field to locate the transaction that was assigned to an uncategorized account. If you have several entries to review, filtering first can make it easier to narrow the list before you make changes. The goal here is to bring the specific transaction into view so you can edit the account linked to it. After that, find a transaction you want to correct in the list. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the right row before changing anything, especially if multiple transactions have similar amounts or dates. When you have the correct transaction in front of you, move across to the category column for that row. This is the field that shows which account the transaction is currently posted to. Click the category dropdown that is now showing the uncategorized account. QuickBooks will display the list of available accounts. From there, either search the list or scroll through it until you find the correct income account for that transaction. Select that account once you see it. Make sure the account you choose matches the nature of the income you are correcting. After you select the right income account, QuickBooks updates the transaction with the new category. You should see the category field reflect the account you just chose. If there is a short pause while the system processes the update, wait for the change to appear before moving on. If there are other transactions still sitting in the uncategorized account, repeat the same process for each one. Locate the transaction, go to the category column, open the drop-down, and choose the correct income account. Working through them one at a time helps avoid changing the wrong entry. As you finish each correction, confirm that the transaction now displays the appropriate category in the category column. This final check helps ensure the income is no longer assigned to the uncategorized account and is now placed where it belongs in your records. Thanks for watching. Your corrected transactions now show the proper income category instead of an uncategorized account.